Hello friends, welcome to this channel. So many of you have asked me for entry level remote jobs that are available with companies always hiring, that are not necessarily looking for people based in the USA or Canada or the UK. So today I decided to share with you guys 6 new entry level remote jobs with companies that are always hiring worldwide. So no matter where you are based, there is definitely something in this video for you. I am covering very diverse type of entry level remote jobs that you can do if you want to work from home. So let's get straight to the video. So the first company that I want to share with you where you can definitely go and look for entry level remote jobs is Preply. Preply.com is a company that specializes in online tutoring, and they hire people who are ready to share their knowledge, no matter whether this is language related or anything else. So now let's take a look at their website and see exactly what this kind of remote job is about. So when you come to preply.com, you see they are mentioning here that they started as a company specialized in language training or tutoring online, and they share here a lot about their language teachers. But when you go to become a tutor, they actually give some really interesting details. First and foremost, they mentioned that English tutor at charge ranges between 15 and $25 an hour, which is really good, that you can teach anytime and from anywhere. You can decide on your own schedule and you can be anywhere in the world, and that they allows you to attend training webinar to allow you to grow professionally. Now when you scroll a little bit lower, they answer a lot of frequently asked questions, and if you look under the one related to what kind of tutors this we look for, they say that no specific certification or teaching experience is required, and that you should just be enjoying sharing knowledge and making a difference in student lives, that you should have outstanding communication skills, and you should be willing to provide a personalized learning experience to international students. Now, in terms of which subject, as I said, we are talking about over 100 subjects, not only languages but a lot of other topic as well. And then in terms of how much you can earn, they says that on average we are talking about $550 a week, which is well over $2,000 per month. But that really this depends a lot on how much time you decide to dedicate to tutoring on, currently what kind of subject you tutoring on, and obviously how much you are charging per hour spent. All in all, Prepperly.com really good place for you to get started if you are looking for an entry level remote job. Okay, the second one that I want to talk about is 99 Design, and this one is obviously more tailored toward those of you that are more design inclined, more creative, and that are looking for a graphic design or any other type of design jobs. So when you come to 99 Design website, if you scroll down little bit lower, there is a call out there that says designers join now. And essentially, what you will be able to do is apply to register with 99 Designs and become a freelancer with them. And the way you work on 99 Design is two different ways. Either you get to work directly with client one on one, or you get to submit your concept into a design contest and earn money doing that if you are selected as the winner of that competition. When we go to their frequently asked questions, where it says how much can I earn, they basically says that you get to charge whatever rates you choose to charge for your work, and that they only will take your membership fees, which are more transaction based. in terms of what kind of work is available, essentially they say that you get to choose the industry, the style, and the design category what you want to work with. They give you a free hand to make your own choice over there. Alright, company number 3 is Automatic. And Automatic is a company that I would recommend it more to those of you that are, let's say, technologically inclined. They mentioned already from their landing page that they are passionate about making the web a better place. And you will see already on their homepage that they specialize in technologies like WooCommerce, WordPress.com, Tumblr, and so forth. They are most well known for their specialty in WordPress. So, if you are somebody who has some knowledge in terms of WordPress, this is definitely a place where you want to go and look for jobs. What you need to do is essentially go to work with us, and then you will be able to find tons and tons of jobs. There are some more entry level, some more experienced, but they will be 100% virtual and they will be willing to hire from anywhere in the world. Now, company number 4 is We Work Remotely. And this one actually is a platform where lots of jobs get aggregated from well-known companies. And they mention already on their landing page that they are trusted by companies like Google, Amazon Basecamp, and so forth. And not only that, but they do mention that they charge $299 for anyone to post a job. And obviously, this is already leads me to believe that the job that exist on We Work Remotely are legit. Because otherwise, no one is going to pay $300 to post the scrap. So, what you need to do is go ahead and check out the jobs that they have available. You will see that for most of them it will say anywhere in the world in term of location. Now obviously some of them require some knowledge and expertise, others are really entry level where you don't really need a lots of knowledge. So if you go ahead and click on view all jobs, you will be able to see some QA tester job, some SEO editor, some entry level jobs that you can definitely do, even if you are beginner looking for your first remote job. The next company I want to talk about is Clickworker. And Clickworker is a company that specializes in AI. And they build models for AI and machine learning like appen.com, like Lionbridge. We have talked about this kind of companies before. So essentially, Clickworker will hire people that can do small tasks in order for them to train their models and their algorithm. So let's take a look at their website and I will show you everything you need to know. Okay, so if you want to know more about who they are and what they do, essentially they mention already on their landing page that they specialize in AI system that become smarter with high quality, multifaceted AI training data. If you are interested in learning more about their AI system, you can go ahead and scroll down and see all the details related to what they do and how they train models related to computer vision and to NLP, natural language processing. But you can just go ahead and click here on earn money as a click worker, and that's going to take you to another page where you can go ahead and sign up, and it says click worker is always looking for internet users worldwide who can, for example, create or correct text, participate in surveys or search and categorize data for us. So it should be pretty straightforward to get work with them. The kind of jobs that you would be doing are text creation, categorization, copy editing, proofreading, research, survey, mystery visit, app testing, photo capturing, audio recording, and video recording. So, lots of option for you in there. Pretty straightforward to sign up and lots of opportunities. The last one that I want to talk about is people per hour. People per hour is master place. It is a platform similar to Fiverr where you can create a profile and offer your service to anyone who is looking to hire freelancer like yourself. So if you want to do a specific type of remote job, and even if you are entry level or if you are a little bit more experienced, you can go ahead and create a profile on people per hour, and you can offer your service to startups or other companies who are looking to hire someone specialized in whatever you have to offer. So let's take a look at their website and I will show you more about them. So as you come to peopleperhour.com, you will see that they have lots of categories and type of freelancers. So I am someone looking to hire a freelancer. I would just go in here and I would search for the specific category of service I am looking for. Now, if you are a freelancer or you want to become one, you would go to here and click on freelancer. Tell them you want to be a freelancer and then sign up either with Facebook or your email. So you can start working online or working from home and start making money with the skill that you already have. All right. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any doubt or any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. So thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.